Hello, welcome to this matrix operation lesson. And in this video, we will consider using Microsoft Excel in performing the operations. Okay, so in our Microsoft Excel, we have here matrix A and matrix B. Given that matrix A, so we have here matrix A and this is the matrix B. Now, how will we perform operation addition? So to perform the operation addition, so which means we are adding these two matrices. So all we need to do is, of course, to place the function equals to the corresponding values here. So a sub 1, 1 will be added to b sub 1, 1 and click enter. So all you need to do is to select our A number and row 1, column 1 of matrix A, and then also place the addition sign plus the matrix B, B sub 1, 1, row 1, column 1. Then click enter. So if you're going to click this, and then in the lower corner, you're going to see a cross sign. You will just drag this to get the other values of our matrices, and then drag it down until to the third row to get also the values. So this means that we are adding the corresponding value. So if you're going to click it to double check, so if you notice, it is of course moving to each of the next cells. Oops. So that is, and let us just redo it. Okay, so this is the addition. Now for subtraction, the procedure is the same. So we are going also to select our number in row 1, column 1. So instead of using the plus sign, so it is minus, and then row 1, column 1 of our matrix B, then click enter. And then after that, again, locate your lower corner and drag the cross sign until to the third column. And then drag it down to the third row. So this is now the answer for subtraction. So this means that 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So if you will just double check it, if you notice, so if we transfer the cell, so it just again move to the corresponding cells. And then next, let us also consider about for scalar multiplication. So for scalar multiplication, so what we need to do is equal sign. For example, we are going to multiply 8 to all the letters or to all the numbers in our matrix, all elements in matrix A. So equal sign 8, asterisk is multiplication. So our element A sub 1, 1. So B 2. And then, since I encoded the value 8, so if I drag again the cell, so each of the elements will be multiplied by the value 8. So Of course, it is until the third row only and third column only because this is the 3 by 3 matrix. So this is the answer for scalar multiplication. Now, for multiplication, so let us use another sheet. Let me copy the given. So this is our values. Let us just transfer this in another sheet. Okay, so how will we multiply a matrix A, B? So that's AB. So to multiply, so we are going to use the function equal sign. But first, before doing that, we have to select the cells where our answer will be placed. So let's select 3 by 3 here. After selecting place equal sign, the function for multiplication is MULT. So MULT. Then open parenthesis, select our matrix A, comma, select our matrix B, comma, and then do not just click enter. You need to click Control, Shift, and enter. So I repeat, Control plus Shift plus enter. So after encoding all the, or rather after encoding the function, so do not just click enter. You have to click Control Shift enter to get the answer. So this is now the answer for 5 multiplied by B. Okay, so how did we arrive at this answer? So if you recall our previous video, the values here in each row is being, we multiply it to the values in each of the values in our column. So 5 times 8 plus 10 times 14. So let us just check 1 and 3, for example. So 5 multiplied by 8 plus 10 multiplied by 14 plus 11 multiplied by 16 close parenthesis. So you will get 356. Can you also just drag it just in case? So if you're going to drag this, of course, you will not get the correct answer. So it's a different. So if you will do that, you will do the manual computations or read the formula. You will use the formula. So you have to do it one by one. So multiplying each of the values here to the second row plus 10 multiplied by 5 plus 11 multiplied by 18, close parenthesis, and you will get 258. So that's how it works. So it will be the same with what you are doing when you are computing it manually. But if you will use the function, so as explained, you just need equal sign and MMULT, open parenthesis, then select your matrix A, comma, Then select matrix B, close parenthesis, and then click Control Shift Enter. But do not forget to select first the range of cell where you will place your answer. So this is for multiplication. Now, how about for our integral power? So for the integral power, so the procedure is just the same. So just to show you, so that is multiplying a square by a to our a. So that's a times a. So anyway, this is a square matrix, so it is possible for us to do that. So what do we need? So AA or A square. So what is the procedure? So as mentioned, we have to select first the cell. So this is where the result be placed. Equal sign. Multiplication of matrix. Open parenthesis. So let's go back. So this is our matrix A, comma, this is again our matrix A, close parenthesis, Control, Shift, Enter. So this is the answer for AA. Now, if we will also do A times A times A, you can actually make use of the same value, or rather a square times a. So since we have here our a square, then you can just proceed to AA multiplied by a. So let's select this equal sign, MMULT, open parenthesis. So you have to select that, comma, and then let's go back here. Select this, close parenthesis, Control, Shift, Enter. So this is the answer for a raised to 3 or a cube. Okay, so this is how we are going to compute or to do matrix operations using Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching.